one is your weapon of choice? Are you going to go Zegna, MFK, or Amouage? You get the vote. YouTube fragrance family, welcome to my February fragrance haul and subscribers choice. This is where you make your vote count in the comment section. Which one of these three are you going to choose to be the first one to get a first impression on my channel? Not only that, but the first one to be reviewed on my channel. First and foremost, before I get into it, I want to thank my partner FragranceX.com for this haul. You can utilize my code Robes08 and get 15% off on their website. All three of these fragrances are in stock. I just checked today, so they are available to you, and you can utilize my sweet code to purchase them. So if you haven't seen it, I did an unboxing of these three fragrances, I believe back in December of 2018. I'll actually link that video down below. And there was a first impression on paper, but that doesn't say much of the story actually. The first impression, wearing it as a scent of the day is a huge difference from just smelling it on a piece of paper. And not only that, but after that the review, where I wear it several times before I do an actual fragrance review on a scent. So your vote does count, because it could be weeks, even months, from the one that gets number 1 to the one that gets number 3 in this video. So it does count. So let me introduce these. If you haven't seen that video, I'll just introduce these real quick. The first one is Zegna's. This is, of course, from their higher end line. I absolutely love the citrus based ones. This is Peruvian Ambrette. If you want this one to be the first one, you know what to do in the comments below. Very much a fragrance that I felt was very grayish. It really felt like there was not much personality to it, so I can't wait to put it more on my skin and delve into the fragrance review, because it gets a lot of rave reviews online. Next is MFK's, of course, Grand Soir. Same thing here, gets a lot of love in the community. I actually really did like it on a piece of paper, so I can't wait to actually put that one on my skin. I'm finally buying a little bit more of Maison Francis K fragrances. Francis K is a great nose, and he does have a great brand. Now I'm up to 3 bottles in the brand, so it's nice to see that I'm getting more of them. Ambre Nuit, of course, a darling in the fragrance community. And last but not least, of course, the House of Amouage. I absolutely love my Amouages. This is Beach Hut Man. This is a brand that, this was, of course, all blind buys, but Beach Hut is one. Amouage is a brand that I just blind buy like this. I just absolutely love them, and it looks great in my collection, because I got most, if not all, of the men's lines. So I love just collecting them actually. So Beach Hut Man is last. So yeah, definitely vote below. I don't even know which one. I think Grand Soir may win this, but I could be wrong. I really don't know what the community is going to vote. So I actually have my next haul is actually right here, right beside me. It's all mostly designers. I can't even hold on to them all in one hand. I got like 8 bottles. Definitely a haul that you want to see me unbox. So I'm gonna have that soon. It was all designers, because this one was mostly niche. So I kind of want to mix up my my hauls. And a lot of them are mostly blind buys. Some of them I've smelt. So this is one of those that I just did. Which one is it? This one right here. I just did a samples of, or a test drive on, as Déclaration d'un Soir, and I was super impressed. It's the only one from the whole haul that I have smelt, so I finally got a bottle of that. It's my second bottle of the Déclaration lineup, and while I was there, I actually got Déclaration Parfum. So I got 2 Déclarations, so I can't wait to unwrap those. But anyway, so keep it tuned in. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is a good time to subscribe if you want to hear what I have to say about those. Subscribe. If you haven't hit the bell, you don't want to miss that video, hit the bell. I am on Twitter, Facebook, and I'm on Instagram. You can just type in Robes08, you'll find me. But there is, of course, links down below to all those. And I do have a Facebook group called Fragrance Guru Nation. We're 15,000 people strong now. So definitely check out my Facebook fragrance group. I'll finish this video up by saying thank you to all of you for the support. And I can't wait to see all your votes. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.